Alright, so first what you want to do is spray your hair with some water. Next, I'm using a curling cream by African Pride. And the second product, I'm using Equal Styler Gel. Alright, so now I put the curling cream in my hair. I'm not going to use a lot, guys. I'm just going to put a little bit. Just this much right here. Not even a lot. Just put it in my hair, rub it in. Just working it in. Right here, I use the point of my fingers to even it out. This method really works. Makes the curls pop. As you can see, I'm just working it in. Yo, curls gonna pop, bro. I'm telling you. This is tough. Like, this is tough method. Alright, so my hair is white right now, so I'm gonna chill. I wanna wait like 30 minutes. So yeah, in the meantime, I'm gonna do my lineup. I'll put some gel in it and then take an edge brush. I'm gonna show y'all in a second. There. Right, just brush it down. Know what I'm saying? I got a very natural lineup. I don't got a taper. I don't got a lineup. Just everything's just very natural, right? So I do it like that. And then I'm gonna show y'all my hair when it dries up. Alright, so I ended up using a blow dryer to speed up the process. So yeah, I didn't want to wait like 30 minutes, bruh. But yeah, I'm using a blow dryer. It's on high heat. You know what I'm saying? Made it really quick. Make the job done. You know, look at those curls, man. Look at those curls. Alright, so this is the end results. Let me know if you guys liked it. Curls are popping. This is 4C hair. I'm a 4C mixed with 4B. But yeah, hope this tutorial helped. Make sure you like and subscribe, share with your friends. And yeah, stay tuned for more tutorials.